Meet CB6, the AI console for your factory screen. Always online. No hotspot routine, no extra steps.
Find a supermarket near me.
I found several supermarkets nearby.
Get location-aware answers, voice search, and one-step navigation.
Navigate to the first one.
Your fuel level
With
is
compatible Bluetooth OBD, CB6 links OBD plus GPS to send fuel alerts and suggest nearby gas.
low. I've detected trouble code.
OBD codes explained clearly, with practical next steps, no more guessing. TrackHU adds vehicle tracking and geofence alerts, so you can check in anytime. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto stay ready. Dual Bluetooth keeps calls and music stable, plus Bluetooth screen lock for privacy.
Turn on the ambient
Control
lights.
supported Bluetooth devices by voice, so every drive feels effortless.